Hey everyone, this is Assistant Coach Phatyl with the Attacks Gym and Gia Huru Kipora, getting right into it. This is a black-owned company that I like, and this is their mouthwash. Very beneficial, keeps my breath smelling clean all day, shall I say. And it fights and combats all the stuff you don't want on your teeth, the bad breath, the gingivitis, plaque, all those things here. And it's pretty healthy for you. No ingredients that you don't need or can't pronounce on this one. So that's why I like them. I use them, been using them for a few years now. Uh, check the link below and check out all our social media plays. Please leave a like, subscribe, share. Tell me what you think about it. Check out the product. You can find them online. I buy it from a black-owned company called Shades of Africa that I've been shopping with for years. Anyway, you guys have a blessed day. Ashanti Sana. Ashe.